To create an React app, we have to install the package using the npm, and to use the npm, we need to install the Node.js. To use the npm, we have to install the Node.js, and we can download this, and then we just double click on it and then install, and we do not need to know anything about how to write a Node.js server. And after we already installed the Node.js, we can use this command, and then we go to the terminal, and then we install the package globally, so you can see the -g here. And sometimes if you do not have the permission, you need to add a sudo in front of the npm. And then after you already install the package, you can create a React app by using this command. For example, our app name is first app. This will create a folder named as first app. And after it already created, we can go to the folder by using the cd, and our folder name is first app. And then we can go to the VS Code by using code code and give a dot here. Now we can already automatically open the VS Code, and you can see the code inside here. By running this app, we can use npm start. Now you can see the app already running here, and we can edit inside the VS Code, and it will automatically update at the same time. For example, we delete this bunch of code here, and then we type hello, this is my first app, so it will also change it simultaneously here. And this is just the development mode. And if you want to build a real app, at last you have to run npm run build. So this is how to install the create React app, and also how to create your first app.